Whatever we send a GET request, POST request, PUT request, or DELETE request, the API endpoint always returns an object with 6 properties. The config property, it's an object property which bears 3 very important values as object property, and those are headers, HTTP method like GET, POST, PUT, etc., and URL. The URL is the request origin. The data property, it bears the actual return data. In our case, a single student or a list of students. The headers property, right now we don't have any concern about it. The status property, it bears 200 on a successful GET and DELETE call, and it bears 201 on a successful POST call, and it bears 204 on a successful PUT call. The status text property, it returns a string OK on a successful HTTP GET and DELETE call. It returns created on a successful HTTP POST call, and it returns no content on a successful HTTP PUT call. The XHR status property, it returns a text complete on a successful HTTP request. Well, we did not follow any standard convention while returning from API endpoint. We returned whatever we liked. Let's return whatever we should return from our API endpoint. Let's do that in next lesson.